Can you guys hear me moving my serger? Oh my goodness. Chaotic mess, I swear. Shouldn't have named myself Glam and Budget. I should have named myself Chaotic Mess. Or, I don't know. Something chaotic. I don't know why. And my machine always jams on me. So, I'm sure you guys will see. No! Oh my goodness! I kid you not, everything that could go wrong always goes wrong with me. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? The whole back fell off. Ugh. No way. And this piece broke. Crap. All right. So not okay. All right, well, it looks like before we're doing anything, we're fixing this. Where did that piece fall off at? Oh no. Why did that even come off? Oh my goodness. All right. Only me, I swear. Only me. All right. I need my screwdriver. Okay, this was not how I had things planned. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Wow. All right. Well, if you've never seen inside. Ew, why is that so dirty? Right there. All right, where's my little. Oh. Okay. Oh, look, there was even thread caught up in here. The heck? Where did that piece fall off at? Did it fall off right there? No. Shoot. Doesn't even look like it would go right there. Oh, man. Man. Oh. Come on, washer. Oh, there we go. We'll see if everything's going to work. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Only me. Every other person that does the sewing thing, they're all perfect. Yeah, I'm so not that. Okay. All right. I don't know why this is so loose. Oh, wait, before I forget. Oh, yeah, we have this lanyard to make too. That keychain lanyard. Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, why is there a needle underneath? I'm trying to poke myself. At least I got my other screw back. I found it when I was cleaning. I was so excited. And yes, I talk to myself like all the time. Oh, come on. I know you can't see my hands. They're down here at the base plate. I'm trying to screw this in because they don't make enough room. This doesn't quite fit it. But the other screw driver flat tip that they give doesn't really fit. Okay. All right. Now, maybe, possibly. Oh, wait. Can't forget that. Okay. Are we good now? Or is everything good? Probably not. My sewing machine tries to end every project. I swear. Okay. Here we go. Now, maybe, possibly. We'll see. Are you gonna thread? Oh, you threaded! Yay! And you didn't fall off this time! Yay! Oh, now you're cooperating. Now you're being a good sewing machine. Good girl. Need to name my sewing machine. I think I'm gonna name it Becky. Becky the sewing machine. I like that name. Becky. I don't know. Maybe not Becky. Okay, I need a chair. This is not gonna work without a chair. All right, I'm gonna make my own chair. Oh no! Oh my goodness! This is how my sewing goes, like every single time. It always happens this way. Oh, how? Why? Why can't you just ever just like go smoothly? Why does everything have to go wrong all the time? Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm sticking with Becky. Plus, I feel like that's Sir Mix-a-Lot song. Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Because my sewing machine's got a big butt. And yes, I'm telling my sewing machine's got a big butt. No, stop falling. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't sit on that. That'll break. My fat butt'll break it. Okay, let's put some denim down here. All right. I just made a makeshift chair because, you know what? It doesn't matter because everything's going wrong today. So why not have a makeshift chair that isn't going to work? Oh my goodness. This is like ridiculous. Okay, now we're trying to move this again so you guys can see because everything is just going wrong. If you sew and things go perfectly for you, please comment in the captions because I would be dying to hear someone that can literally tell me, oh, everything's all good. I never have any issues when I sew. I mean, you might not be my favorite person in the world, but I'll still answer you. Okay. Are we good now? Becky, are we good? Becky, are we good? You gonna work? Because I really need you to work. All right. I don't want zigzag. I want that one. Okay. We're gonna sew this first, I think. No, I have black in there. I don't want to sew this. That does not have a black thread. So I don't want that. I want this one, not this one. Oh my goodness. You know, I don't think I ever want to be organized. Organization just is not me. It just doesn't work. All right, Becky, are we going to work, Becky? Becky, are we going to work today? How's that? Is that a good angle? Nope. All right, you going to cooperate, Becky? We got white underneath. We got white thread underneath. We got black on top. What are we doing today? Oh my goodness. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It is so fine. All right, Becky. Oh, we forgot to backstitch. Oh no, we forgot to backstitch. All right, Becky, let's try this again. Oh, that wasn't even straight. Oh, and I completely missed over here. Becky, we are not having a good moment. All right, I know I have my little scissors because I found them when I was cleaning. Because I don't know where my seam ripper is right now. So we're just going to pull stitches with scissors because we're useful. We're useful humans. We're an adaptable human. An adaptable human. All right. we adapt to situations that go wrong, like the back end of our sewing machine coming off. And Becky not wanting to work. And not having night thread. Okay, there we go. No, why did you switch? No, because I fat fingered it. That's why. Okay, now let's try it. I feel like we're missing those threads over there again. Okay, we're not. Cool. All right. Yeah, it's a little too slow. All right, Becky. Oh, where are you going, Becky? Don't be taking the fabric. All that you need to do is go straight. Like, it is not that hard to hold the stitch straight. But evidently it is. All right. Let's back stitch that. Let's see how horrible that looks. Oh, we completely missed all right there. No. All right, you know what? We're going to cheat. We're going to cheat and we're going to go this way. And we're going to do this again. And then I'm just going to cut all that off. Because I am making a bag like nobody's ever made a bag before. So it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the one best thing about sewing, is it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it definitely could be perfect, but it doesn't have to be. There's something about a chaotic mess that I just really like. There we go. That looks so much better. Okay. We need these scissors. We need these scissors. We need these scissors. These scissors.